I gotta be gentle. Beautiful seagull. Let's see if she lets me picture. Hello, sweetie. Oh, she looks so cute, huh? You look so cute. Wow, her feathers are that white part, of course, and also that brownish and brown spots, and also a little bit of black on the tail. My gosh, she looks so beautiful. Are you still young or? I don't know if it's an old or young seagull. Bye, sweetie. I'm gonna follow you. I don't disturb you. I just wanna see all the beauties. Okay? You are a beauty. Oh, she's so calm. Right? Yay. Oh my gosh, I could spend like my whole day looking at her or him. So cute. Oh my gosh. You're so good boy. You're so good boy. Or girl. Do you guys know the difference between male and female? I don't know. I don't know. They look so cute. I just know it's so cute. Seagulls are my favorite birds. And also fregatas, and also look. Wow, beautiful one. And that one is still there. What are you looking at? Waiting for some fish? Huh? She's so good. I'm impressed, like I've never seen a very good behaved seagull like this. And you're not afraid of me, are you? Are you? No? Don't be afraid. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. I just wanted to film this for you guys. Look. She's so cute. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. Okay, bye, sweetie. It was really nice meeting you. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Say bye-bye. Bye, sweetie.